Fire safety drill. Number 1. The fire alarm will sound through all intercoms. All teachers must prepare to evacuate their classes. Number 2. Teachers will take class list with them for roll call. Number 3. Teachers will evacuate all learners to the nearest safety exit. In case of safety exit being unsafe, the secondary exit is used. Number 4. Teachers will check all areas on the evacuation path for any learners left behind. Number 5. All classes must assemble on the sports field. Number 6. Classes must stay together and roll call must be completed to ensure all learners are safe. Teachers must submit roll call lists to the head of department and report missing learners. Number 7. The head of department must communicate with emergency services and report missing learners and staff. The head of department will give the all clear once it is safe.